Ba't nandiyan si Kuya Ambo? Oy, nakikinig kayo! Nakikinig! Alam niyo?
Raise your right!
Tama lang po.
Christmas!
Wait lang, family. Ito!
Christmas was almost here. And Mother Right was finished the Christmas baking. Father Right, Sue Right, and Billy Right returned from their last-minute Christmas errands. There is not much left. Did you leave the basket of food at church? Asked Mother Right. I left.
Pagkabalik, right!
Father Right.
Right!
I'm glad my shopping is done, said Billy Right.
Right!
I don't have any money left.
Left!
The whole telephone rang.
Ay, wow!
And Susan Right
Ay, wow! Right!
she rushed back and told the family. Auntie Right
Ay, di ikaw na! Right again!
Grandma Right
Right!
and rolled the right away.
Right again!
She said as she left.
Left the right!
Father Right
Ay, di ikaw na!
left the kitchen.
Oh.
By the time Susan Right returned,
Right again!
Daddy
Pasok mo
Right,
naman!
Father Right,
Right!
and Billy Right
Right!
had begun trick
Ay, di wow!
the tree. The entire Right family
Right!
sang carols as they finished the
Ay,
decorating.
di pante!
Then they left all
Left.
arranged under the tree
Ano ko na
and
ito?
went to bed,
Tuwalya.
hoping they had selected the right gifts for their
Right.
family.
Ba't na sa uwi na ako? Hindi na kami ko!
Now I hope you have the right present.
Right!
Because
Ito, balik!
all that's left our
Left!
except to wish you
Tulog!
Merry Christmas. Isn't that right?
Right!
Kung ano yung kay Mac. Yun yung kay
Kaya ko sa inyo eh! Kaya buksan nyo na, baka yung video mo ba sa loob? Hindi na sumali kayo na.
Meron na punta.
Eh, nagkali ko. Ang akin sa kanya. Next sa puta.
Okay, happy ba kayo sa mga gifts nyo?
Yay!
Okay.
Yes, yes, no!
Sabi ko sa iyo eh, maraming alam ang mga gifts. Dapat magsasama tayo sa kanila. Sandali lang. Ito na.